Hello class, welcome to our channel. This is Alan Shane at your service. Thank you so much class for choosing Alan Shane's tutorial for you to be able to know more about accounting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also comment down below class. So now, our discussion is all about what? It's all about the accounting cycle. So when we say accounting cycle, it refers to what? It refers to a series. It refers to a series of sequential steps, a series of sequential steps or procedures performed to accomplish the accounting process. Okay, so the accounting cycle is a series of sequential steps or procedures performed to accomplish the accounting process. Okay, so here we have the steps in this cycle, in the accounting cycle, and their aims to follow. So we have to follow these steps class in doing from identification of events up to the reversing journal entries. So the first steps in the accounting cycle is step 1, we have identification of events to be recorded. Second step is transactions are recorded in the journal. Third, journal entries are posted to the ledger. Step 4, preparation of a trial balance. Step 5, preparation of the worksheet, including adjusting entries. Step 6, we have the preparation of financial statements. Step 7, adjusting journal entries are journalized and posted. Step 8, closing journal entries are journalized and posted. Step 9, we have preparation of a post-closing trial balance. In step 10, we have this reversing journal entries are journalized and posted. So now, let's begin with the step 1. So here, step 1 is the identification of events to be recorded. So the aim for this step 1 is to what? To gather information about transactions or events, generally through the source documents. So it is to gather information about transactions or events. So, about transactions or events. So, generally through the source document. So, many transactions will happen in the business. So, here in the step 1, we have to identify saan ba na transactions sa given ang kailangan natin i-record, because there are also transactions nga hindi na kailangan i-record. So, step 1, we have to identify what transactions or events that we are going to be recorded. Step 2, we have transactions are recorded in the journal. So, after identifying the transactions that need to be recorded, we have to record the transactions in the journal. So, what is the aim here in step 2? The aim here in step 2 is to record economic impact of transactions on the firm in a journal, which is a form that facilitates transfer to accounts. So, it is to record the economic impact of transactions. So, record the economic impact of transactions. Saan natin i-record? Sa journals of transactions on the firm in a journal. Okay, next, we have step number 3. After we recorded those transactions in the journal, we have to journal, or we have to post the journal entries to the ledger. And the aim of this step 3 is to what? Transfer information from the journal to the ledger. So, to transfer information from the journal to the ledger para sa classification. Okay? So, next, step 4. After the posting to the ledger, we have the preparation of the trial balance. So, the aim of the preparation of the trial balance is to provide a listing. So, is to provide a listing. Bakit kailangan mag-provide ng listing? To provide a listing to verify the equality of debits and credits in the ledger. So, here in the trial balance, malalaman natin dito the equality of those debits and credits in the ledger. Okay, we have step 5, the preparation of the worksheet, including the adjusting entries. So, what is the aim of the preparation? After natin ma-prepare si trial balance, so we have to prepare the worksheet. Why is it preparation of the worksheet important? Because it aims to aid in the preparation of what? Financial statements. Financial statements. Okay, next, we have step number 6. It is the preparation of the financial statements. So, the preparation of financial statements, we already tackled this in our previous videos that it is provided for the useful information to decision makers. So, to provide useful information to decision makers. So, we have different decision makers, and we already discussed that one in our previous videos na pinamagatang users of financial statements. So, pwede nyong ma-visit yun na video class to watch. Okay, so next, we have step 7, adjusting journal entries are journalized and posted. So, what is the aim of this step 7? Ang aim nito is to what? To record the accruals. To record the accruals. So, the accruals, the expiration of deferrals, and so on and so forth. So, okay, the estimations and other events from the worksheet. So, next, we have the step 8, the closing entries are journalized and posted. So, after the adjusting entries, we have to close the journal entries that are done with journalizing and posting. So what is the aim of the closing journal entries? To what? To close those temporary accounts. Para ma-close natin ang temporary accounts. Then, we transfer those profit to owner's equity. Okay? Next, the step 9, the preparation of a post-closing trial balance. What is the aim of the step 9? It aims to check what? To check the equality of debits. To check the equality of debits and credits. After what? The closing balance. Or after the closing entries. Okay. Next, the last step is the reversing journal entries. When we say reversing journal entries, what is the aim of step 10? To what? To simplify. To simplify what? The recording of certain regular transactions in the next accounting period. Okay. So, ulitin natin ha. Let's summarize. The accounting cycle, it is the what? Series of sequential steps. When we say steps, ibig sabihin, sunod-sunod. So, step 1 before the step 3, before the step 2, okay? So, a series of sequential steps or procedures performed to accomplish the accounting process. So, we have 10 steps in the cycle and we have also different aims for the different steps. We have this step 1, the identification of events to be recorded, and what is the aim? To what? Gather information about transactions or events. So we have to identify what are the transactions that needs to be recorded. After that, after identifying, we have to record those transactions in the journal. The aim to this is to record the economic impact of transactions on firm in a journal. After we record it in the journal, so we will have also another videos for this. So next is we have to post those journal entries to the ledger. Then pwede din tayong gumamit ng T-account. So what is the aim? To transfer information from the ledger. Next, step 4, preparation of a trial balance. So here in the preparation of a trial balance, it provides the listing of what? The listing to verify the equality of debits and credits in the ledger. Step 5, we have the preparation of the worksheet, including adjusting entries. Ang aim ng step 5 is to aid in the preparation of financial statements. Step 6, preparation of the financial statements. So the aim is to provide useful information to decision makers. Step 7, we have adjusting journal entries are journalized and posted. So what is the aim? To record the accruals, expiration of deferrals, the estimations, and other events from the worksheet. Next, step 8, we have the closing journal entries are journalized and posted. So the aim for this is to close those temporary accounts. Next, we have step 9, the preparation of a post-closing trial balance. So what is the aim? To check the equality of debits and credits after the closing entries. In step 10, we have to reverse journal entries and that are journalized and posted. And the aim is to simplify the recording of certain regular transactions. So here, the first 3 steps, the step 1, step 2, and step 3, it is these are accomplished during what? So these are accomplished during the accounting period. So during the accounting period, ito ha si step 1 and 2, step 3. During the accounting period. Next, we have the step 4 to step 9. So, step 4 to step 9. Okay, step 4 to step 9. At the end of the accounting period, okay? At the end of the accounting period. Then next, the step 10 is it is at the start of the next period. Okay? At the start of the next period. Okay, so that's it for our discussion in the accounting cycle. Hope you learned something, class. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your loved ones. You can comment down below, class. Thank you so much for listening. God bless.